Today I show you how to earn $5 just every 60 seconds for typing words, which is one of the easiest way to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online for typing words, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. Now moving on to the first website on our list is transcribeme.com, which you may also join for free. When you go to their home page, you'll notice a few career opportunities you may type and earn money online, such as transcription or translation. I'd like you to focus on transcription because this one pays the most. As you can see here, they have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour in the top monthly earning of $2,200. It's really amazing. Then just go ahead and click on Get Started and you'll be sent to a page where you may join. What's great about this website is that you can do it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they offer you 2 to 4 minute clips only, so it's absolutely not lengthy at all. Just imagine if you spend half an hour transcribing or even an hour, you'll also be earning much. All you have to do is enter your first name, your last name, your country, and your email address. Make sure to put your real email for the confirmation link for your account activation, and then you can create your password and confirm it right here and click on the sign up button. Then they send a verification link for your email. After that, you can enter to this page. Here you have to do little things. Firstly, select the languages. Next, select your work experience. After that, enter your PayPal account where they can send you the payment. Always have the time to check your email because they will send you verification details about your typing speed, because they will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. So this is going to be the second website on our list. This website is called rave.com. So as you can see right here, $1.50 per minute, and if you type for 1 hour you can make $90. If you type for 3 hours you can earn $270, and if you type for 5 hours you can earn up to $450 for simply typing. As a result, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a very legitimate website that has been trusted by over 750k plus people from various industries all over the world. As you can see here, transcription is $1.50 per minute. Captions are also charged with $1.50 per minute, and foreign subtitles range from $5 to $12 per minute. It's actually an edge if you are from a foreign country. For example, if you're from France and no French subtitle is available, you can help them translate the videos from English to French or French to English. This is where you can earn a lot of money. So as you can see here, $5 to $12 per minute. That's a lot. Now if you're still starting and don't speak fine language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. I guess $1.50 per minute is more than enough. So right now, when you scroll down to the bottom most part of this website, you can see here freelancers. When you click it, you'll be taken to this page where you can see where freelance jobs that have a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs, and you'll get paid regularly on a weekly basis. The best part is you will receive your money on time and in a reliable manner. So guys, don't worry about your typing speed or typing skill. Now I am going to tell you a solution for that. The very first step is for you to go to this very important site, which is called typingtest.com, where you can take a 60-second typing test. When you get to this site, click on typing tests and you'll be taken to this page where you can see check your typing skills in a minute. Type a way to join 150 plus million test takers. So you can select 1 to 10 minutes test and then select text sentences or words that are extremely crucial. I'd like you to log in and select the 1 minute test and medium text options. The best part is you can do this conveniently on your smartphone. As you can see, you can start typing by clicking on Start Test. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute, and they'll measure how fast you type. So for example, if I start typing certain words, the timer will start running and they'll show me how fast I type. Now if you go back to the home page and click on typing courses, they will give you a free training to help you type faster. And also they have another more option to improve your typing speed and skill. So this is your typing speed, and you can improve or even double it by joining some typing courses on this website. That's mean you can earn a lot more money quickly. By doing so, you'll have more job opportunities in the website I mentioned earlier. I think this opportunity will be very important for your day-to-day life. That's it for today.